ClauseBuddy's latest feature, Bulk Operations, gives you access to your own personal document production assistant. It's designed to help you with those basic, repetitive, time-consuming tasks that mostly deal with getting a document in the proper shape without adding any real substantive value to the document. And so the assistant can help you with a range of different types of operations, ranging from basic stuff like removing all consecutive spaces from one or more documents that have been uploaded, to a little bit more advanced stuff already, finding and replacing footers and headers based on certain text that is recognized, or even with standard styles that are then uploaded, to, for example, merging with different subdocuments, managing track changes, all of those different kinds of things. Now, I'm aware that that is a little bit abstract, so let's take a look at a couple of examples. The most straightforward application of bulk operations is the ability to merge different documents together, be they Word and or PDF. And so what we can do here is we can upload a number of documents. Let's go with this one and this one. This is a PDF document and a Word document. ClauseBuddy will then first and foremost convert the PDF document to a Word document so that later on we can merge these three different documents together, either as a Word document or as a PDF document that we can then continue working on. So we'll give that a second to convert. And then, of course, when we have uploaded those documents, we can then still let a bunch of different operations act on them first and foremost. But if we're happy with them as such, we can then either export them to a single Microsoft Word file, to a single PDF file, or even in separate files in a zip file. Secondly, you can combine several different operations to be performed in sequence. Here, for example, we have a predefined set of operations called quick fix finalization, which features the kinds of operations that we would ordinarily have to do manually, things like scrubbing metadata from a document, making sure that different track changes applied by different authors are grouped under one umbrella name, which ideally is also maybe an anonymous name. Basic things like removing empty paragraphs, replacing a footer with different content if that is no longer relevant, like here we're referring to a draft, removing double spaces, those different kinds of things. And we can either do that on this one single document, or we can upload a bunch of different other documents. But in any case, when we're done, we can then just say export that to Word, and then you can see all of those changes are then automatically done across the document. And as a final example, we can also append and prepend certain documents to any document that we've generated. And a really cool use case for that is, let's say that we run a quick review, an AI-powered review on this document. So we'll say that we review this under our license agreement playbook. We'll just let the AI run its review on this document. And as soon as it is done, you can see that we have this red flag, green flag analysis, which we can also export to a Word document. That looks a little bit like this. And what we could do with that is we could then say, okay, let's turn this into a neat report that we can share with a client, for example. And then we'll go to bulk operations, select an operation. Here we have a contract review report generator, which is essentially just an operation: prepend a certain document, our cover sheet, and append a document, our back sheet. And then if we execute that, we get this contract review report, which features, of course, our appended and our prepended documents.